Hey y'all, welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. I have a unboxing for you today. This is a sneak peek from Diamond Design Co. Amy was so sweet to send this to me as a sneak peek so all of you could see it before it comes out. I am thrilled to be showing you Merkitten with Tiki. This is a Miss Fluff piece. Most of you that have been on my channel for a little bit know I am obsessed with Miss Fluff, and she is quickly becoming one of my favorite artists. So before I open it, comes in a very sturdy box, very sturdy. And look at the bottom, I'll show you real quick. Ooh, that is Merkitten with Tiki. So excited. Miss Fluff, her name is Claudette Barjoud, and she does mostly a lot of like vintage pinup, 1960s mod, Japanese kawaii styles. She does all kinds of really cool retro things. All right, we're gonna lay this out flat first because we're gonna look at all the other things. Okay, and I'm gonna do this off camera. If you have creases in your canvas, you just roll it the opposite way. Get some of the wrinkles out. All right, we're just gonna lay that flat. All right, look at these drills. Look at all of those colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Lots of pinks, which you know is my favorite. Greens, there's some orange in there, some purple. Oh, beautiful. Okay, this toolkit, I showed this in the last video. This is not the toolkit you're going to get. The toolkit has been upgraded. So this is just a basic toolkit. It comes with your pen, your tweezers, your tray. You've got a thing of wax and a grippy, and you've got some multi-placers. I opened this on the last one, so I'm not going to open it on this one, but you will get an upgraded toolkit with a larger tray and a nicer pen. So I'll put a link to the last video on that, and you can check that out. So yes, all right, so here we go. Let me roll this back the other way. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I will have a link down below for Diamond Design Co. so you can check out all of their wonderful kits, as well as I will have a link for Miss Fluff, her socials and her website. She does offer things like coloring pages, bags, pillow covers, sewing fabric. It's just adorable. Okay, look at that. That is Merkitten with Tiki. Now this one is a 40 by 50 square drill kit. You do have the option with Diamond Design Co. to choose square or round, because these are all made to order. I highly enjoy the fact that you can choose, because I'm a round drill girl. But I'll do squares. I mean, it's whatever. It's whatever for me. All right, here is your pre-cut sticker sheet. There are 54 colors in this kit. And it looks like you have 2 ABs and 3 shimmer drills. Look at that. A yellow and a like aqua AB. And then you've got 2 pinks, and it looks like, I don't know if that's gonna be a black shimmer drill. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna check it out. But isn't that just adorable? Oh my gosh. Okay, but these are all pre-cut, so you can put them on your baggies for easier reference. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna pull out the special drills. Crinkle noises, crinkle noises. I hope everybody's having a fabulous week. I know I am, because I'm working on a Miss Fluff. Okay. All right, now these are usually in numeric order, so it goes 1 all the way up. So the special drills are going to be in the back. Let's see here. Let's see if I can pull these out. Okay. Yes. Okay, awesome. All right, we've got the special drills. So I'm going to show these to you real quick. All right, so this is one of your ABs. Very pretty. It's like a citrine color AB 166. Then you have a gorgeous 959, which is a aqua. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, now these are your shimmer drills. This is 6209. It's like a lavender shimmer drill. And then yes, this is a black shimmer drill. I don't know if I've ever used one of these. I don't know if you guys can see this up close. I'm working with cloudy daylight today, unfortunately. Oh, that is so cool. I've never worked with a black one. That's a 310 shimmer drill. And then this is a pink shimmer drill. This is 605. Lovely. So those are your special drills. So we're going to see where those come up. Okay. This kit, are you ready? Here we go. Merkitten. Merkitten. Oh my gosh, with Tiki. Look at that. Y'all. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? Look at this. She's holding a martini glass. Oh my gosh. And she's got a little lei around her neck. You've got a starfish down here. Oh my gosh. And these colors. Look at that gradient from like a blue to a purple up to a pink. Okay, we're going to pull the plastic back so we can get some of the wrinkles out of the plastic. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to flip it around and do it the same way this way. Very thick plastic. Absolutely love it. Makes it much easier to section out. Okay. All right, here we go. This is a 40 by 50 square drill. In the bottom left, you've got your Merkitten with Tiki, Miss Fluff, 40 by 50 centimeters. You've got your little schematic down there. In the bottom right, you've got all of Diamond Design Co.'s Facebook group and Instagram, as well as the website. Now, she does have an actual website now, so I'm assuming that will be going forward, be put on canvases as well, but there is an actual website, and I will have that down in the description below. I don't know if I think she's still on Etsy as well. I will double check on that. Okay, so you have a key code on the left side as well as on the right side, which is lovely because that way you have reference, you know, both sides no matter where you're working on the canvas. So, all right, we are going to see where these special drills go. Oh, first, let's look at the canvas up close. Let's look at the drill field. Why don't we look at her face? Oh my goodness. The drill field looks super clear as always. Look at that. There is going to be color blocking. The background's going to be a lot of color blocking, which is great. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Look at how clear that is. Love it. Love it, love it. Okay. Now I'm going to do the sticky test, which I know some of you don't like. So if you don't, just fast forward a few seconds. I always do the sticky test. Y'all, super sticky poured glue. Fabulous, fabulous. Okay, let's see. Oh, and the edges. I showed this last time too, but all of the edges are scalloped, so you're not going to have any fraying. And the back is like, it's a soft backing, but the canvas is also a little bit firm at the same time. Okay, there we go. All right. So let's go through all of these special drills. All right, we're going to do the ABs first. So the first AB is AB 166, and that is the letter J. Let's see where the letter J is. Okay, so, all right, J is going to be these yellow areas down here in the foliage, and then also around the mermaid's tail, the Merkitten's tail. And then also up here in this greenery. Oh my gosh, that's going to be so pretty. So pretty. Okay. And then, where's the other AB? This one. This is AB 959, and this is the letter P. All right, where is P? Y'all, I'm standing up and I don't have my glasses on, so bear with me. All right, P. Let's see here. Well, I know it's right there. I know y'all are like, it's right there. I'm looking. Okay. Okay, I got it. All right, it's going to be the lighter aqua in the Tiki here, the little lighter areas of the aqua. So there's going to be some pop of AB in that. Okay. This is 209. 209 is a shimmer drill, purple shimmer drill, and that is going to be a lowercase t. Where is that? I'm looking. Oh, okay. It's going to be in the, if y'all can see that, it's going to be in the bubbles. See where the purple is in the bubbles over here. That's so cute. That's so cute. Okay, 605. That is going to be a little H. Okay, sorry. I'm standing up doing this. Okay, so that's going to be in the martini glass, the lighter shade of pink. Here, I'll show you. See that H symbol right there? And then it's also going to be in the lay, the H symbol. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay, now the black. Let's see what that's going to go. That is a cloud symbol. Okay, well, I can already tell you where that's going to be. Okay, so if you look in the Tiki right here, see the dark spots in the Tiki, goes all the way down. And then also, it should be, oh, it's not. Okay, that's all right. I thought it was going to be in her eyes, but it's not. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be the dark spots in the actual Tiki. Very cool. So those are your special drill placements. Yay. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm already working on the other Miss Fluff piece and I'm absolutely loving it. The drills are great. Not a lot of trash drills. The glue is perfect. The plastic is thick. I haven't had any issues with that kit so far. So I'm really enjoying it, really enjoying it. Okay, so this canvas is going to be available on Friday, March the 20th. I'm sorry, Friday, February the 20th, y'all. Why do I have March on the brain? February 20th at 12 midnight Eastern Standard Time. So this kit, the Merkitten with Tiki, as well as the Merkitten with pearls, both of those are going to be available Friday, February 20th, midnight Eastern Standard Time. Because of Lunar New Year, the supplier is not going to be shipping any kits until after March the 6th. So if you put your order in, don't worry, it'll be processed. It just won't be shipped until after March the 6th. So I did just want to give you guys that heads up. But these are fabulous canvases. I highly recommend checking out Diamond Design Co. There are other fabulous artists there as well. And Amy has just recently, in the last few months, started doing the larger canvas sizes. We all know she has fabulous mini kits, but I am thrilled that, you know, full-size canvases are being offered as well. So definitely check out Diamond Design Co. Okay, I think that's it. But I wanted to share this sneak peek with you. Let me know in the comments down below if you are planning on purchasing either Merkitten with Tiki or Merkitten with pearls. If you have bought any full-size canvases from Diamond Design Co., which ones have you got? What were your thoughts, comments? Let me know down below. All right, I hope all of you have a fabulous rest of your week, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye, guys.